I just returned from a tiny break. This tiny break wasn't a luxury but a necessity. While living a mountain life, even though the time is on your side, you only have so much energy. Energy becomes the most precious resource. Since we resumed work in November last year, our bodies have been under constant physical stress. First, we poured our energy into building the mud house, and now we are tirelessly hosting people and managing other consultancy projects. I felt as if I was stretched thin and that I am running on reserve storage of energy. This summer has been unreasonably hot. All the forests around us are on fire, increasing the temperatures even more. It wasn't just the landscape that was feeling the heat. I was too. I didn't know there's such a thing as an off grid burnout until my body finally gave out. The prolonged exposure to heat led to severe dehydration. It did not only affect my physical but also my mental well being. Unlike other times where I would have convinced myself to push through, this time I chose to pause. Sometimes you need to shake off the dust and change your location, like how flowers need the change in water. I decided to go to a cooler location to cool down, hydrate, decompress, and rest. The change of scenery was refreshing. This also made me realize that eventually I would prefer living in a cooler climate, surrounded by tall and gorgeous pine trees. There is something inherently calming and magical about a pine tree forest. I also realized that even though the off grid life is rewarding, it is quite demanding. The tiny pause allowed me to recharge, reassess, realign, and refocus. It allowed me to reflect on my journey, appreciate the milestones I've reached, and plan for the future with a renewed sense of purpose. During my escape, I also got to think about the concept of work life balance. To me, it has been always a myth. Striving for balance always means that you see your work as suffering and you're looking for relief from it. In my experience, either it is full work mode or full rest mode. The balance is through extremes. Each one of them requires your full energy and attention to be truly fulfilling. It has allowed me to return to my life with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. I'm more mindful of my energy levels and more committed to take regular breaks. Sometimes the best way to move forward is to take a step back. Thank you for watching.